To use a word that we learned before, 丢 means to throw or throw away, and 脸, as you now know, means face. So 丢脸 means to lose face, that is, to be embarrassed. I mean, you're not literally throwing your face in the trash here. That would be kind of impossible, but you get the idea. 大家好, welcome to Sing and Learn Chinese, and welcome back to the Pronounced Chinese Syllable Series. We're going through the 400 plus syllables that exist in Chinese, and once you know all of these syllables and combine them with the Chinese tones, you'll be able to speak every word that exists in Mandarin Chinese. Remember, if you're totally new to Chinese, check out the How Chinese Works video to learn the foundational knowledge you need to understand the rest of this video. In this lesson, we'll be going over the Chinese syllables and words from the next column of the Chinese pronunciation chart. You can grab your own free copy of this chart at singandlearnchinese.com, link below. Okay, let's talk about Chinese syllables and words that start with le. First, we have le plus a, which makes la, as in la lian, or zipper, la lian. Then le plus e makes le, as in 快乐, happy or happiness, 快乐. Next, le plus I makes lai, and in the second tone you get lai, meaning come, as in 过来, which means come here, 过来. Then le plus a makes lei. In the fourth tone, lei means tired. 我累了 means I'm tired, lei. Le plus ao makes lao. In the third tone, you get lao, as in 老师 or teacher, 老师. Then le plus o makes lo, as in 大楼, which means a large building, a skyscraper, 大楼. Le plus an makes lan, as in 篮子, a basket, 篮子. Then le plus ang is lang, as in 波浪 or a wave, 波浪. Le plus is leng. In the third tone, you get le, which means cold. I'm cold, 我很冷. Then le plus e makes li, as in 梨子, which means pear, 梨子. Le plus e plus a is lia. In the third tone, lia means two of. It's used more often by mainland Chinese speakers, as in 咱俩, the two of us, 你俩, the two of you, or 哥俩, the two bros. But basically, 俩 means two. Next, le plus e plus e makes lie, as in 打猎, to hunt, 打猎. Le plus e plus ao is liao, as in 疗愈, which means healing, 疗愈. Le plus e plus o makes liu. In the fourth tone, liu means the number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Liu, 6. Then le plus e plus an is lian, not lian but lian. In the third tone, lian means face. To use a word that we learned before, 丢 means to throw or throw away, and lian, as you now know, means face. So 丢脸 means to lose face, that is, to be embarrassed. I mean, you're not literally throwing your face in the trash here. That would be kind of impossible, but you get the idea. Next, le plus e plus n makes ling, as in 欢迎光临. It's what you often hear when you walk into a Chinese-speaking store. It means welcome, or literally 欢迎 means welcome, and 光临 means something like, we are honored by your presence. So, you know, the kind of thing that you'd want to say to butter up a potential customer. 欢迎光临. Alright, le plus e plus ang makes liang, as in 漂亮 or pretty, 漂亮. Then le plus e plus is ling, as in the number 0, ling. So technically, when I was counting to 6 earlier, I could have started with ling, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. Okay, le plus u is lu, as in lu, which in the fourth tone means road. If you haven't yet, you should totally check out the song 平凡之路, which is an epic song about walking the ordinary road. Seriously, have a listen, it's good. Okay, here we have le plus u plus o, which makes luo, as in 落叶, which means falling leaf. Ye is the leaf, and luo means fallen or falling. So, 落叶, falling leaf, or fallen leaf. Then, there's le plus u plus an, which makes luan. In the fourth tone, luan means a mess. So if your 头发很乱, that means your hair is messy. If your 房间很乱, that means your room is messy. 乱, mess. Le plus u plus n makes lun, as in 轮胎, the tires on a car. 轮胎. And le plus u plus ng makes long, as in dragon, a popular creature in myth and folklore. Long. Next, we have le plus yu, which makes ru. In the third tone, you get 旅行, which means to travel. 旅行. And then we have le plus yu plus e, which makes 略, as in 战略, or war strategy. 战略. Alrighty, make sure you download your free Chinese pronunciation chart at singandlearnchinese.com and check out our Chinese song videos so you can see some of the words that you just learned in context, which makes them easier to remember. And I'll see you in the next video. Until we sing again, 再见.